apology.
My sincerest apology, most welcome guest. But why do you want an apology? Because this book makes no sense at all. We Ravens have standards. When I tried to sell it to the Crocs, they just laughed at me. Are you sure it is ours? Of course I am. I stole it from your library just yesterday. But it is worthless. I demand compensation.
A book that makes no sense. That does not sound like one of ours. In the dawn, before the dawn, the almighty sun blessed the land. In a flare brighter than the sun itself, the phoenix descended.
Phoenix?
They raised their magnificent temple atop the highest mountain, and so began a new glorious era of enlightenment for Chima, the phoenix, offspring of the sun with divine insight, the gift of fire, immortality, and power of healing. In their light, Chima blossomed.
Firebirds? In Chima? Are you sure that...
Wait, there's more. Masters of the powerful fire chi, sworn to keep a watchful vigil, the Phoenix will remain guardians of the land until such a time where Chima will be in complete and eternal balance.
Fire chi? Balance? That book is worthless. Whoever came up with that?
I shall put it in the completely ridiculous section.